Hey Team Blossom, welcome back. I've been gone for a while, but I'm super excited to show you these Delta Sigma Theta Converses that I just completed. I want you guys to know that I do offer a tutorial on my website, which is blossomingjazzmine.com. If you click on shop, you'll be able to see this tutorial where I show you how to beginning to end, how to bling the top of the shoe, how to bling the entire shoe. If you are a Delta and you want it to say Delta Sigma Theta, I even show you how I added the words. One thing that's great and new is I now sell kits. So if you don't have any materials, then there's clickable links, but you can also buy a physical bling kit, which I'll post kind of here so you can see what it looks like. So I'm excited to share with you guys my tutorial. It's currently published and it's $50 if you want to buy it, $49.97. So I'll see you in my next video. Later guys, love you. Bye.